Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, my name is Oyuink. I am the owner of a small sticker shop over on Etsy where I sell illustrations of my stickers and soon some cozy holiday creations. As I start getting ready for my Christmas launch, I wanted to take you along as I design and create some new greeting cards, which will be available on my Etsy and at a local Christmas fair I will be attending. I've been working on growing my little character Milkbear and bringing him to life more this year. You might see him pop up here and there in today's vlog, and I will talk about him more later. I've been really enjoying experimenting with new designs. Today I'm starting with some rough sketches for my Christmas cards. I'll be using Procreate to get them all designed and ready for print. It's always a bit of a journey seeing the design come to life, especially when I start adding all the small details. Here are some of the thumbnails I've been working on. I like to sketch a few different ideas onto paper with pen, as it helps me to get quick ideas out without getting wrapped into the details. Now I'm moving on to refining the designs in Procreate. I work in very few layers, liner, underliner, and colour. With Milkbear and his design, there isn't really any shading to do. Majority is flat lines and colour, with his signature pink cheeks. Once the designs are ready, I'll set them up in Photoshop to get everything sized correctly for printing. The cards will be just smaller than an A6 format, which means I have 2 cards on one piece of paper. Here's a little something that just arrived, some new card. It's always a nice moment when the supplies I've been waiting for finally gets here. Now that the designs are ready, it's time to print everything out. I like to make sure I've got the colours just right before hitting print. Although the colours are very minimal, I love seeing the designs come together. Sunday is all about the finishing touches. First up is scoring the cards. I had to get another scoring board as my previous one was quite small and quite annoying to score my previous cards. Once I've scored them, I'll cut them down to size. With everything cut and scored, I can move on to packaging them. I like to keep one aside to take pictures of once I've finished. I add envelopes and slip them into a clear sleeve with a small sticker on the side ready to go. I just like to add a bit more of a personal touch to my product. With the one I took aside, I like to go outside and take my pictures for Etsy, as I love the lighting of daylight. I want to make sure the cards look good. Finally, I am wanting to create stickers also, using the same designs for the cards and matching them with stickers. It's been a busy weekend, but I'm so happy to have made great progress. Thanks so much for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process behind these new holiday cards. I can't wait to share them with you all. Don't forget to check out my shop on Etsy, link below, and any social media to see when the cards go live. See you next week. Take care. Stay cozy.